Okay, I actually forgot in the previous video in the find function to hit run on this code, to run this code and see what the output in the command window look like. So I thought I will post another short video showing the output. So I already went over this code with this grade here. So I'm gonna hit run and let's see what the command window look like as. So I have in the command window, I have number of students received A in class. So what I also wanted to do, I'm gonna see what the G is and then kind of make it bigger so we can see everything. Hope we can see everything now. The number of students received A in at least 2 exams is 1. So only one student received A in at least 2 exams. So it's the number of students, it's not the array indices. Remember, I used the length function. So let's verify if it is true or not. So first one is definitely not. Second one is first test is 92, second test is 90. So of course the second student received A in at least 2 exams. Third student, nothing. Fourth student, only 1 A. Fifth student, only 1 A. So only second student, so that is true. The number of students received A in at least 1 exam, we already went over this. The third student didn't receive any A, but all other students did. So it would be, the answer for that is 4. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 students. And the students who received at least 1 A, and these are the IDs. So the first one is 17400, then the second one 17120, and third one is 17310, and then 17329. So I have all 4 students here. So this is how I print it. So again, this printing, how you want to print is all up to you. So you can choose to print it different ways, like putting all these IDs next to this. That's perfectly fine, as long as it's clearly it clearly tells what these numbers are representing. So anyway, the last question was number of students who failed in at least 1 exam. There are 2 students who failed at least 1 exam. So let's verify if that is correct. So the second student, even though received 90s in at least 2 exam, it failed in the second student failed the second exam. That's 1. And then third student, all B. So fourth student failed in second exam also. So there's like 2 students, it says, so which is this guy and that guy, second and fourth student. So my answer here is right. So if I wanted to know what are the IDs for this, I would use this 2 and 4, these numbers in column 1. That's exactly how I got these IDs. So that's how I would get the last one too. So if that was the question. All right, hope that that clarifies it, and I will stop the video if I can find where to stop it.